Mike and Matt here, your barbecue cleaning experts from Canadian BBQ Boys. In this video, we're going to talk about how to extend the life of your grill.
Now, cleaning your grill is the best way to extend the life. It helps you prevent rust, damaged parts, and it also allows you to keep your barbecue in the closest condition possible to when you first purchased it.
Replacing parts if and when necessary is also very important, and this can be done through routine inspections of the different components of the grill. So taking out those parts, doing inspection looking for rust, broken parts, damaged parts is very important, and replacing them is very easy by ordering online or calling your local Napoleon retailer.
Now, the third point is to constantly cover your grill after each use. This allows you to prevent rusting and corrosion on the outside of your barbecue by protecting it from the elements. It also allows you to keep rodents out.
So in this video, we covered 3 ways of extending the life of your grill. Number 1, cleaning and maintaining your grill. Number 2, replacing parts if and when necessary. And number 3, covering your grill after each and every use. Thanks for watching. We look forward to hearing your comments below.